We'll guide you through how to set up a URL redirect with Namecheap. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard, located at the top right of the page. Here, you'll see a list of your domains. Find the domain you want to set up a URL redirect for, and click on Manage next to it. Next, you'll be in the Domain Settings area. Look for the Advanced DNS tab and click on it. Now, this is where you'll set up the redirect. Scroll down to the Redirect Domain section. If this option isn't visible, you may need to add a new record by clicking on the Add New Record button. Choose URL Redirect Record from the drop-down menu. In the host field, you can type @me if you want to redirect the root domain, or use www if you want to redirect the subdomain. In the value field, enter the URL where you want your domain to redirect. Be sure to include the full URL, starting with HTTP or HTTPS. Under Type, you'll have the option to select either permanent 3.1 or temporary 3.2 redirect. A 3.1 redirect is more SEO friendly if this is a permanent change. After you've filled in these details, don't forget to click the green checkmark to save your changes. It may take a few minutes for the redirect to take effect, so be patient. You can test the redirect by typing your domain into the browser to see if it leads to the new URL. And that's it. You've successfully set up a URL redirect on Namecheap. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.